Today I'm gonna show you how to delete your clips on Twitch.
Hello there, I'm Robyn. So, you're trying to delete a clip off your Twitch channel, right? Because every once in a while, we all come across an embarrassing, accidental, and even malicious clip on our channel, like wardrobe malfunctions, misclicks, and out-of-context content that we'd prefer to stay private and or gone. In this video, I'm going to show you just how quickly you can get rid of those unwanted clips off your channel forever. Let's get to it. First, make sure you're signed into your Twitch account and head on over to your creator dashboard. You can do that by clicking on your profile photo here at the top right, and then clicking on Creator Dashboard. If your side menu isn't already open, click on the hamburger menu at the top left to show navigation. Then select Content, followed by Clips. Here, you can find all the clips that were created either by you or clips that were created of your channel by others. The next step is to find the clip or clips that you want deleted. Tick the checkbox, then click on the Delete button that shows up over here. If you want to view the clip first, select the clip and view it. Now you can delete it by selecting the trash bin icon and confirming that you wish to delete this clip. And now it's gone. Easy, right? You know what's even easier than that? Giving this video a like.